Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your mouse's DPI, and this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing you need to do is go ahead on your search and write down mouse settings, and on mouse settings you need to go ahead and turn off enhance pointer precision. It will be a little bit harder to move your mouse, but we need to do this in order to measure it. Now after that, also if it's a little bit different for you on additional mouse settings, it's the same on pointer options. You can just turn it off here. Now once we've done that, you want to go to your browser and write down DPI analyzer and choose this option. And here you're going to scroll down and you can now measure your DPI. So for example, let's do target distance 5 and configured DPI. For example, maybe it's 800, or we can do a target distance 1. So now you're gonna drag it to the target, just like so. And as you can see, my DPI is actually higher. So I'm just gonna write down 1200, for example. And now I'm gonna drag it. And as you can see, my DPI is the one I have written. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's also inches if you want to, and if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.